Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop here at Flat 6 Motorsports. My name's Ivan, and today we're going to talk about lowering solutions for your air ride equipped Porsches. Let's get into it. So if your Porsche is equipped with an air suspension, you have a couple different options if you want to adjust your air suspension to ride height from where it is stock. Now, the stock setup gives you a couple different options as far as like raising and lowering it depending on what you need to do. But some people want to take that a step further, and you do have a couple different options. So the easiest solution is using lowering links to fool your car's computer into thinking it's higher or lower than it actually is. A little bit more expensive but highly adjustable is using something like the seat module, in which you can control it with your phone to get the exact height that you want. Now we're going to go in depth into both these options here to see which one's best for your application. So with air suspension systems, the vehicle needs to know exactly where each corner of the car is going to be. And the way it does that is it uses these links, look like little dog bones here. And what they do is they connect the suspension to a sensor mounted on every single corner. And what lowering links do is they adjust the length and thus changes the angle of the sensor and tells the car if it's higher or lower. And so what you can do with those is that you can customize how long or short these links are, and to kind of fool the car into thinking that it's higher or lower, and the car will automatically adjust itself to where it wants to be. This doesn't require any programming or computers or anything of that nature. It's just a quick mechanical change, and they're easily installed and adjusted as you see fit, and then they're fixed at that height. So another solution for your air suspension Porsche is to use something called the Active Suspension Control Module. This one's by Seat Automotive, and basically what it does is it installs a couple different modules in line with all the different sensors on the vehicle, the different ride height sensors, and it intercepts those signals and basically tells the computer where the heights are at digitally rather than mechanically. And that way you can use an app on your phone and you can set the heights individually. You can fine tune it. You can put it in a show mode and completely put the car down in the weeds if you want to, but that's completely customizable. It does take a little bit more work and is quite a bit more expensive than just doing lowering links. So depending on what you're looking for from your suspension, you do have a couple different options. So as you can see, there's a few solutions for your air ride equipped Porsche, depending on your needs and your budget. So if you want some more information or to get one for yourself, check us out on flat6.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.